We are rolling backwards up the hill. What? This is creepy. And it's moving fast. Up the hill, we're going really fast.
That right there is Spook Hill, and it's one of the strangest things you'll ever see in Florida. But that hill is not why people are moving to Lake Wales. So in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what life here feels like, what it actually costs, and whether this little town on the ridge could be your next home. I'm Jen with the Property Solutions team, and we have helped families build over 200 new homes across Central Florida. Lake Wales is one of our favorite spots. Let me show you why.
Welcome to Lake Wales, aka The Ridge, where you have rolling hills, Bok Tower, and a small town piece.
This place feels different from the rest of Florida. You've got real elevation, you've got rolling hills, and right at the top of those hills, you've got this.
Lake Wales is proof that affordability just doesn't mean settling. Here at the Property Solutions team, we build homes people are proud of. So here we are out in the Bok Tower area here. We're walking over to the tower area. But this is such a unique place. You can come in Lake Wales here, especially if you're living here, walk the trails, take in all this nature. That's when we say that this area in Lake Wales is especially for nature lovers. It is a beautiful garden area, very nice, especially if you need to walk off stress, peaceful. You can definitely gather your thoughts here. So fun fact, did you know that the Bok Tower area has some of the highest elevations here in the state of Florida?
To really understand the town, you go meet the people who have been keeping its history. So we stopped by the Lake Wales Museum, and the director had a lot to say about what it is actually like to live here.
So if you want to know any of the that is going on in Lake Wales, you definitely want to stop by the museum here, because they gave us some amazing information for everything that's going on in Lake Wales.
We do a big Pioneer Days festival every October, end of October, and it has historical demonstrators that come out, community market, we have the Cypress Garden Ski Show comes out, we've got petting zoo, Florida Flywheel, there's a whole big to-do, and so we're just one of our planning meetings for today.
That's fine. So when does that kick off?
October 24th and 5th. It's always the last week of October unless it's Halloween, so it's October 24th.
Okay.
What's the next? Our 50th anniversary.
The next community event you'll have coming up?
Oh goodness, for Lake Wales. Well, next community event for Lake Wales is tomorrow. Is the Cork and Keys wine downtown, kind of crawl through downtown with Lake Wales Main Street.
Oh wow.
I know the Lake Wales Arts Council has one of their big swinging galas coming up. I think this week or next week. The museum has been open for 50 years. We turned 50 years old this July 4th. We were a train station before that. We did passenger rail, we did freight. There's a lot of history here.
Wow.
Obviously we're a history museum, but the building itself is so different that we just love when people come and learn about it. And it's got, as you saw, the local attractions and that. This gallery, this wall is eventually gonna get taken out and hopefully opened up is the goal, pending, we can capital campaign funds and all that. But we really want to bring this room back towards Native American history and Black history, because that is a huge part of the community and this building. This building was actually never desegregated before passenger rail stopped.
So we're gonna go in and we're gonna check out the train here. So I take it this is where they used to sleep at? This is from 1926.
So one of the things you're going to notice fast about Lake Wales is the community is tight year-round. They have events that pull everybody in.
Let's talk about some of the community events here in Lake Wales, Florida. And one of them is the Lake Wales Pioneer Days. And this is where they celebrate heritage. They also do reenactments. They have different craft venues, stuff like that as well too. Another event here in Lake Wales, Florida is the Mad Hatter Tea Party, which is a quirky family event. So this town is not geared for somebody that is looking for a social scene.
Now, downtown Lake Wales is small, walkable, and full of personality. The kind of place for the cafe owner remembers your name by the second visit. Let us grab lunch.
So in downtown Lake Wales here, they have a huge vintage market with lots of antiques and collectibles. All right, so we stopped in at the Market Calf here on Market Street in Lake Wales. So we're gonna check out their menu. So they do serve a breakfast selection. We have sandwiches. We also have bowls as well, pancakes and salad. There's also wraps. I've heard a lot of people when we were inside mention the tater tots. So I have a feeling that these tater tots must be absolutely amazing. So let's go inside and order some.
Yes,
So I looked over the menu here. What's some recommendations that you make? I've heard a lot of people mention the tater tots.
The tater tots are very, very good.
Okay.
Sandwich-wise, the Reuben's popular.
Okay.
The Cuban, the Mojo, the Monty. Those are really good.
And how long have y'all been here in Lake Wales?
We have been here 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
Wow. Have you seen a lot of growth come to the area here recently?
Yes, definitely. Since all the construction and everything, more people are definitely coming.
After lunch, you are definitely gonna want dessert, and right around the corner is the most fun spot in all of the town.
Here we are in downtown historic Lake Wales. We're gonna check out Vibing Vinny's, which is a 1950s style retro diner. So I'm looking at the menu here at Vibing Vinny's, and I see burgers, sandwiches, we have double cheeseburgers, we have a mushroom Swiss burger, chicken sandwiches, we have a fish sandwich, that sounds yummy, grilled chicken breast meal. Now also next door, they have an ice cream shop. So at Vibing Vinny's, there's an ice cream side and the food side as well. So this is a really cute ice cream shop with amazing selection.
If Fisherman is even a small part of why you're living to Florida, this next stop is gonna feel like home, because Lake Wales sits between some of the best bass lakes in the state, and the locals know it.
So we're here at the Fisherman's Candy Store out in Lake Wales. So this is basically every Fisherman's candy is located in the store. Let's go in and check it out. Hey, how are y'all? Good. So you've been here since 1976 or?
Not sure. I've been here 17 years.
Okay, are you the owner? Or?
No, I'm
okay.
just manager.
Okay.
Jim Durham is the owner. There used to be a pawn shop here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then
Have you always
they
been
were-
in this location or no?
They started over on the other coast,
Okay.
over there, Jensen Beach. That's where the Bridgemaster started at. And then they moved over here, and they were actually in one of the back buildings back there.
Oh, wow.
This was the pawn shop, and then they eventually, when the pawn shop moved, they moved up front.
Okay. So also it says you are the second largest tackled resource here in Central Florida with the lowest prices. Would you agree with that?
I would say that's pretty accurate.
Pretty accurate?
Yeah.
Okay.
We might actually be the biggest in Central Florida now, the bait shop. Number one selling bait here.
Oh, wow. And that's called, is it called money? Or?
We call it the money stick.
The money
Yeah,
stick?
the money stick. That's our little nickname for it. Then we have some larger ones we call the bread stick.
Okay. What would you catch with them?
This is our largemouth bass.
Okay,
Yeah,
bass.
our shop is predominantly probably 90% largemouth bass fishing. We do have a section over here for pan fishermen, for crappie and bluegill. We do have a saltwater section.
Oh,
And
okay.
we do have some local guys doing some custom pours on some of the plastic baits. But
Oh,
we
wow.
do carry all the mainstream. Second one there, Shaw Grigsby. He's been inducted into the Fishing Hall of Fame.
Really?
He comes to our Customer Appreciation Day every year, him and Mr. Fitz, which is right next to him. And then we've got Lakeland's Bobby Lane. I mean, we've got them all the way down through. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got some, like I said, we've got even some of the youth anglers over here, all the way to some of the older stuff like Preston Clark. He's one of the retired guys now, but he still holds one of the records in the Bassmaster Classic, which is pretty
Oh,
cool.
wow. That's nice.
Yeah.
This is neat. A lot of history
Right.
here as well.
My most favorite one is back here to the back. Everybody asks me all the time, is this your son? I got my jersey up here, and some of the other guys that work here.
Oh, really?
This was the YouTuber I was talking about.
Okay.
So I put mine up, and then they see this one. They go, is that your son's? I said, no, Junebug is my lab. That was when he was a young guy.
Aw.
He can't fit into it now, so I brought his.
I had an
jersey
Aunt Junebug.
up. Yep.
Yeah,
yep.
from Mississippi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep,
Mhm.
that's my chocolate lab jersey. He wore it for a while, then he grew out of it.
Aw.
There's also a few small shops downtown worth poking your head into when you visit.
Well, there's kind of like a lot of like knickknacks here that would be good for a house. So maybe, okay. I mean, look at this cake thing. That is so different.
Okay, so you've seen what life in Lake Wales actually looks like. Now, let me show you the practical side, who this town is really for, what the schools are like, what's coming next, and what is it actually going to cost to build a brand new home here.
So the typical buyer that's looking to move into the Lake Wales areas is retirees, nature lovers, religious families, and anyone that's seeking absolute peace on a budget.
If you're moving here with kids, this part is going to matter to you most.
So let's talk about the Lake Wales School District here in this area. So most of all the schools are rated a B+, which is absolutely amazing for all of your, from elementary school to high school, which right now we're out in front of the Lake Wales High School here, which has a very strong athletic program. And also from student reviews, we see that they are very strict in their academics as well.
And here is something most people moving to Lake Wales don't know yet. The city is in the middle of a major transformation.
The $20 million Connected Plan is about to transform downtown Lake Wales. And getting in now with affordable manufactured homes is the smart game plan.
Look, I want to be honest with you. Moving anywhere is a big decision, and Lake Wales is not for everybody. So here's the real picture, the good and the not so good.
Some of the pros to living in Lake Wales, Florida here is that you're not on a flat surface. There's a lot of rolling hills here in Lake Wales, Florida. And then also too, some of the pros I would say is strong community roots and church values run through the community here in Lake Wales. Another thing, you have access to the Kissimmee State Park. And then also too, there's very affordable real estate here. That is one of the reasons that the Property Solutions is here. Bringing in the manufactured homes is also to help with affordability in the area. So some of the cons to living in Lake Wales, Florida is an isolated economic area. There's limited job opportunities here. Also, the diversity in restaurants is very little. And then you also have not a nightlife area here in the downtown Lake Wales area. And then also because there are so many areas that are isolated, you do have to drive to go to major shopping areas.
Now here is where it gets a little interesting, because most of the new home communities that you're seeing go up in Central Florida, they come with HOAs, CDD fees, and you're paying lot rent every month for land you don't actually own. That is not what we do. The Property Solutions team builds brand new manufactured homes on land that you actually own. No HOA, no CDD, from dirt to keys, we handle the whole thing.
So Lake Wales has a lot of new construction going on, as you can see behind me. So we have single family homes that are being built here. But the thing with these single family home communities is you have HOAs, you have CDDs, which are the community development fees. When you buy a brand new manufactured home on its own land with the Property Solutions team, there's no HOAs, no CDDs, you own the land. So it's a much affordable option. See all this space? This is where Property Solutions thrives. We clear it, build you a home, and then it's dirt to keys.
So if Lake Wales feels like it could be your kind of place, we put together a free Lake Wales buyer guide that walks you through the cost of building, the typical timelines, and checklists of what to look for in a lot. The link is in the description below and on the QR code on the screen. And if this video helped you out, please hit subscribe so you don't miss the next town.
I'll see you in Lake Wales.